The best online will makers can help you prepare a will today. But your will can name your current spouse while an old retirement form still sends that account somewhere else. One option costs nothing. One covers several family members. One offers the smoothest guided experience. And one adds a short attorney support window at a relatively low price. The right choice comes down to the level of help you need. A self-help option may work when your beneficiaries are clear, your account designations match your wishes, and there is no special needs planning, serious dispute, complicated business transfer, or property in several states. The middle category is still straightforward, but you want healthcare documents, powers of attorney, and access to a licensed attorney before signing. Custom planning begins when benefits, business ownership, multiple jurisdictions, tax concerns, or likely conflict require advice built around your situation. Ask a licensed attorney whether an online plan fits before buying one. For a clear do-it-yourself estate, FreeWill is the strongest free option. FreeWill says its will takes about 20 minutes. You can name beneficiaries, choose an executor, nominate a guardian for minor children, print the document, and follow the signing instructions. It also offers free healthcare directive, financial power of attorney, and beneficiary designation tools. The trade-off is personal guidance. FreeWill provides the documents, but it does not compare them with every retirement account, insurance policy, property title, or family obligation. Choose it when you are comfortable checking those details yourself. WillMaker's advantage is family value. The starter plan costs $109 and includes a will, healthcare directives, and final arrangement documents. You can add up to 5 immediate family members at no extra charge and revise the documents during the first year. Louisiana residents should use another option because WillMaker does not address that state's unique requirements. Trust and Will is the polished guided option. Its will plan costs $199 for an individual or $299 for a couple. It includes a will, living will, power of attorney, and HIPAA authorization. Attorney support costs another $299 where available. It provides a full year of 30-minute consultations, legal advice, and line-by-line document review. That is meaningful support. Now, the comparison changes. FreeWill and WillMaker solve the document problem. Trust and Will improves the experience. LegalZoom Pro adds an initial attorney support period at a lower starting price. LegalZoom Basic costs $129 and focuses on the will itself. Pro costs $149. For $20 more, Pro adds a healthcare directive, medical and financial powers of attorney, HIPAA authorization, and 30 days of 30-minute attorney consultations on new personal legal topics. Each new personal legal matter is limited to 1 consultation and business questions are excluded. The $20 difference is the most important pricing detail here. You can complete the documents, then ask whether the guardian wording is clear, whether the powers of attorney cover the right decisions, or whether a beneficiary conflict deserves closer review. The attorney plan does not promise a complete review of everything you own. It gives you a professional checkpoint before signing. After 30 days, it renews at $25 per month unless canceled. Put the renewal date on the calendar. Use the consultations and revisions you need, then decide whether continued access is worth the cost. Premium costs $299, provides 1 year of consultations and revisions, and renews at $199 per year. For most people in the supported middle category, Pro offers the stronger balance of price, documents, and initial attorney access. The first link in the description opens LegalZoom's current plans. Start with Pro unless year-long support is genuinely necessary. Now return to that old retirement form. Your will may name your current spouse while the account still names someone else. Retirement benefits are generally paid to the beneficiary recorded under the plan. For that account, the designation can control even when the will says something different. An attorney can help identify the conflict. The beneficiary still has to be changed through the employer or plan administrator. The will cannot update the account for you. Here is the final ranking. FreeWill wins for the strongest free self-help option. WillMaker wins for family value. Trust and Will wins for the smoothest guided experience. LegalZoom Pro wins for the supported middle category, where the estate is straightforward but attorney guidance would help before signing. For custom planning, none of these automatically wins. This is general information, not legal advice. Follow the state-specific instructions for signing, witnesses, notarization where required, and safe storage. Before leaving, check the beneficiary on the retirement or insurance account your will may not control. For a straightforward estate that wants attorney support, use the first link to open LegalZoom Pro and confirm the current price and renewal terms. For a more complex situation, use the second link to ask a licensed attorney online an initial question about whether an online will fits. Custom drafting or ongoing representation may still require local estate planning counsel. Subscribe, and the next major legal or financial decision gets pressure tested before a dollar leaves your account.